In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Viber verification code problem. So basically what this problem is like when you try to log into your Viber like this. So let me show you. You open Viber and you click on start now. And after you click on start now, you need to enter your phone number over here. As you guys can see, you need to enter your phone number over here. And after entering your phone number, it's going to send a verification code to that phone number to verify if it is your phone number or not. So this problem arises when your verification code is not sent to your phone number even though you have typed the correct phone number over here. So make sure if your phone number is correct over here before you think like your phone is having an issue. Make sure your phone number is correct. But if you're still not receiving the code after typing the phone number, then you can follow these steps. As you guys can see, now there's this bar over here at the top which is going, and if I don't receive a SMS code within this time given to me over here, then what I can do is I can just go out of Viber, click on the Viber icon and hold for some time and click on app info. And after you go on app info, you can go to permissions and make sure all your permission is turned over here. Like sometimes if your phone permission is turned off, then like you won't be able to receive a code. If your phone permission over here is turned off, then Viber won't be able to access the phone number and then it can't send the verification code to you. So make sure all this permission is turned on. And if you still do not receive any code after doing this, the last option is go to storage usage, click on clear data and then click on clear. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the cache and data of Viber and basically reset all the setting and all the error as well. And when you try to log in, you should basically receive your error code. But if you still don't, then the other option is make sure your internet connection is stable and just delete and reinstall Viber again. This should fix it.